Hi everyone, this is Grade 4 Qatar History. Unit 1 is about the ancient history of Qatar and the Arabian Gulf region. For this week, we will focus on the importance of the Arabian Gulf region in ancient times. So what are the Arab states or Arab countries of the Gulf region? We have the following: Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and of course Qatar. All of these countries have shared heritage, culture, and history. The Arabian Gulf region also underwent what we call the Prehistoric Ages. So in our prehistoric timeline, we have the following: the Paleolithic Age, also known as the Old Stone Age, which happened 3 million years BC. The Neolithic Age, also known as the New Stone Age, which happened 10,000 years BC. And the Bronze Age, which is under the Metal Ages. This happened 2,500 years BC. So what is the importance of the Arabian Gulf region in ancient times? The region played a very important role since the beginning of history because it had trade relations between civilizations. Trade means the exchange of goods or services. Trade relations were between Mesopotamia, which is now known as modern-day Iran, Turkey, and Syria, India, and Sin. Also, human beings have lived in Qatar since the Paleolithic era or the Old Stone Age, and they managed to establish trade relations with the Obadite civilization. This is one of the most famous civilizations in ancient Mesopotamia, which is very much known for their lovely pottery. The Obadite pottery has also been found in Qatar, and it goes back to the late Neolithic era or the New Stone Age. Also, Qatar has played a role in the civilization of Delman, and this civilization became very well known along the coast of the Arabian Gulf during the Bronze Era, which is around 3,000 to 1,000 years BC. So the Delman civilization was said to have settled in the Persian Gulf and was very much well known as a trade center during that time. So if you would look at the map over here, we have the ancient Mesopotamian civilization in this area, and also different civilizations in the Arabian Peninsula, which we would be discussing in future lessons. If you would notice, we also have in here tools from the Old Stone Age, rocks with sharp edges that ancient people used for hunting and gathering. Next is the Neolithic era. It is one of the ancient eras and is mainly characterized by the discovery of agriculture or farming, the domestication of animals, and emergence of pottery. So for most civilizations, they have settled on a specific area, but for some Arab clans, they have continued with their roaming because they lived a very nomadic lifestyle. So these are sample tools that the ancient people used during the Neolithic era. If you would notice, they were more sophisticated than the tools that we have seen during the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. Last is the Bronze Era, which is mainly characterized by the discovery of metal. And what the ancient people did back then was to mix copper with tin so they can produce the alloy of bronze, which would be the weapons that you see at the bottom. They used bronze to manufacture or make tools and weapons. Tune in for more on this topic. So up next would be the economic, strategic, and civilizational importance of the Arabian Gulf.